Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about a small AI concept in SEO known as Kohonen self-organizing maps, or also known as SOM. So basically Kohonen self-organizing maps are an unsupervised like a neural ages of clustered data where the main purpose is to organize themselves based on the closest proximity they're finding. In other words, with the help of this model, you can you can cluster and you can group the things associated which have similar proximity in close connections, and you can segregate them based on their proper relevancy. Now, how this is useful in SEO? Now there is two things which can be done. The first thing is, with the help of Kohonen self-organizing maps, you can find actual competitors who is totally well aligned with your vision, mission and your business goals, and you can actually take them as your competitors. You can study them, you can run analysis, and you can identify what things they are incorporating as a part of their business strategies. And the second important thing is, you can perform keyword clustering or topical clustering for your keywords using the Kohonen self-organizing maps. So the thing is that, now let me give an example. Suppose in the first example, suppose you are into a multi-dimensional field where your competition is huge. Let us take our SEO industry for itself. There are a lot of IT companies who are fighting for the best SEO agency, best SEO firms, best SEO company, and etc. IT firms, B2B industries, digital transformations, everyone is fighting for the SEO agency term. So if I really want to identify my right competitors, I can take the help of this algorithm and can really find who actually matches to my business goals and alignment, and this can give me a proper structured data by organizing itself in a similar set of groups. This is why the name goes by the name that self-organizing maps. Now the second thing is keyword clustering. So suppose you are running a huge e-commerce site with millions or thousands of pages, and you want to properly optimize your product or category pages into the right order. So if you really want to conduct a proper topical relevance or a proper clustering of the keywords, then this algorithm can once again be used to segregate different keyword intent from each other and then optimize your pages accordingly. You might be wondering how to do that. This is very simple. Kohonen self-organizing maps have its own formula. It's shown on the screen, but if you want to do that practically, you can just open any Kohonen self-organizing maps calculator on the online, and you can provide your given inputs of data. So suppose you can pick a main keyword, you can provide as many competitors as you find in the Google, and this can rearrange itself and can give you a proper and prominent data. I hope with the help of this small advice, you can organize your competitors and your keywords accordingly, and this can just give an edge over the competition, probably if you're running a large campaign. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.